Imagine, for a moment, what absolute unrestrained luxury floating on the ocean truly feels like. Because what you're about to witness doesn't just redefine yacht design, it reshapes the entire meaning of maritime royalty. This is Aurum Rosso, the crimson crown of the seas, a vessel sculpted in deep red and traced with glowing gold, moving across the water like a masterpiece in motion. Today, we step into a world where art meets engineering, where fantasy meets craftsmanship, and where every corner whispers one message: perfection is not optional. As the sun melts into the horizon, Aurum Rosso awakens. Her gold LED ribbons illuminate her sculpted profile, flowing like liquid metal across a dark ruby hull. Every curve is intentional. Every deck is layered like a royal palace rising from the sea. From this aerial view, the helipad dominates the bow, a perfect golden circle crowned with a bold H, ready for private arrivals at a moment's notice. And as we glide toward the stern, the infinity pool glows turquoise against the red hull, creating a contrast so striking it feels surreal. Our cinematic journey begins inside the grand entrance hall, a space designed to overwhelm the senses from the very first step. A gold leaf ceiling floats above you. A massive Bohemian crystal chandelier cascades like frozen rain. Beneath your feet, white and gold marble floors shimmer under soft reflections. The spiral staircase, crafted with golden railings and polished curves, captures daylight streaming through the panoramic glass, creating a warm halo of luxury. To the right, the VIP Welcome Lounge reveals deep red velvet sofas, soft, plush, and arranged for intimate conversations. Gold-trimmed tables and ambient lighting transform this into a sanctuary of royal comfort. But nothing prepares you for what comes next: the three-story atrium. Here, architecture becomes performance art. The spiral staircase winds upward like a golden helix. The chandelier descends through all three levels, slowly rotating as if suspended in time. This is not a hallway, it's a sculptural centerpiece. We now enter the main dining salon, a banquet space designed for moments of pure celebration. A polished table stretches across the room, seating 24 guests beneath a halo of warm lighting. Crystal stemware, gold-trimmed dinnerware, and hand-carved chairs create an environment where every meal feels like a royal banquet. Beyond it lies the private dining salon, a more intimate, exclusive chamber. Here, golden accents reflect soft light from a central chandelier, turning dinners into curated experiences of modern luxury blended with timeless elegance. The heart of this palace lies forward, the owner's master suite. A centered king-size bed dominates the room, surrounded by panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. A deep burgundy canopy drapes down, royal and dramatic. The textures, velvet, satin, polished wood, are chosen not for show but for sensation. The adjoining VIP suite follows a modern language, a pure white leather headboard studded with gold, illuminated by soft underlighting that gives the entire room a floating presence. And then, the master bathroom. At its center sits a freestanding marble bathtub carved from a single block, an artwork shaped for relaxation. Double vanities in rare Carrara marble glow under warm gold lighting. Brushed gold taps, scented steam, and flawless symmetry transform this space into a personal retreat. A private front-facing lounge completes the suite, curved seating, golden tables, and unobstructed bow views that make it feel like floating on the edge of the world. The main salon welcomes you with bold, royal blue velvet sofas arranged around golden coffee tables. Ambient lighting, polished woods, and panoramic windows create a cinematic backdrop where day turns effortlessly into evening. Move upward, and the open-air upper deck lounge invites you outside. White and gold furniture sits under sculpted overhangs, with the ocean stretching endlessly beyond. This deck wasn't designed for gatherings, it was designed for memories. Luxury on Aurum Rosso isn't limited to relaxation. It extends into full grand entertainment. The private cinema features red velvet seats arranged in elegant tiers. Gold trims, acoustic perfection, and a massive projection screen create a true Hollywood experience at sea. Just steps away, the yacht offers something almost unbelievable: a professional bowling alley. Crystal chandeliers hang above polished wooden lanes. Premium leather seating wraps around marble and gold sidebars. This is where elegance meets play, where leisure becomes art. But just when you think Aurum Rosso has revealed all her secrets, she opens the doors to one of her most exclusive sanctuaries. A room drenched in deep mahogany, warm amber lighting, and velvet textures so rich they feel handcrafted for royalty. Glass display walls showcase rare cigars, Cuban, Dominican, vintage editions, preserved in a climate-controlled humidor that glows like a vault of treasures. To the left, a marble and gold whiskey bar presents an elite collection: 25-year single malts, Japanese reserve bottles, and limited edition bourbons resting behind crystal decanters. Plush burgundy armchairs surround low golden tables, creating pockets of quiet indulgence. Soft jazz fills the air, aroma, warmth, stillness. This is where conversations slow down and luxury becomes personal. Now we climb to the crown jewel, the rooftop terrace. At the center lies a glowing infinity pool lined with shimmering golden tiles. Overhead, crystal chandeliers are suspended beneath the deck canopy, casting sparkling reflections on the water with every ripple. From here, the sunset paints the yacht in shades of amber and flame red. The sound of waves, the gentle breeze, the stillness of altitude, everything aligns into one perfect moment. Every corner of Aurum Rosso tells a story of craftsmanship, of passion, of an unrelenting pursuit of excellence. This isn't a yacht, it's an odyssey, a floating palace where imagination becomes real and luxury finds its purest form. And as we drift back across the water, watching her lights flicker across the sea, one truth becomes unmistakable. Aurum Rosso doesn't simply sail, she reigns. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do hit subscribe and like button. Until next time, this is Dom, signing off.